Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I know a lot of people out there want to reduce their salt intake, which no problem with that. Bear in mind that 77% of the sodium that we take in comes from foods that we don't prepare ourselves, like restaurant foods or pre-packaged foods that are already made and we just heat it up, or maybe it's in a box and we add a little bit of something to it and then we mix it up and then we've got our flavoring packet and so forth. Those are the sources where we get the majority of our sodium intake from. But if you are wanting to cut down on the salt in the foods that you prepare, I have a list of herbs and spices that you could try to use in place of added salt in whatever food that you want to prepare. Bear in mind that not everything goes with everything, so you do need to use your own discretion based on whatever it is that you're cooking at the moment. So here we go with a list of herbs and spices. Now I've got it broken up into categories of foods. So if you want to flavor some sort of a protein food, it could be meat, fish, poultry, it could be beans, legumes, it could even be in marinades, okay? Basil, chili peppers or cayenne, chives, cilantro, coriander, dill as in dill weed, ginger, nutmeg, oregano, paprika, pepper like black pepper, rosemary, sage, tarragon, thyme, and turmeric. In the way of vegetables and stir fries and salads, try basil, chilies or cayenne, chives, cinnamon, cilantro, coriander, dill weed, ginger, mint, nutmeg, oregano, paprika, black pepper, rosemary, sage, tarragon, thyme, and turmeric again. In the way of fruits, you could try cardamom, cinnamon, coriander, ginger, mint, nutmeg, pepper, rosemary, tarragon, and this works especially well with lemon, thyme, and that works especially well with citrus fruits. In the way of grains and grain products or grain dishes like a pasta dish, you could try basil, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, chilies, cayenne, coriander, ginger, mint, nutmeg, oregano, paprika, rosemary, sage, tarragon, thyme, and turmeric. In the way of dairy foods and non-dairy foods and dishes prepared with them, you could try cardamom, chives, dill weed, mint, nutmeg, rosemary, sage, and thyme. And thyme works especially well with cheese. In the way of casseroles, sauces, soups, and stews, you could try basil, cardamom, chilies and cayenne pepper, chives, cinnamon, cilantro, coriander, dill, as in dill weed, ginger, nutmeg, oregano, paprika, pepper, rosemary, tarragon, thyme, and turmeric. And there's always the salt-free herb and spice blends that are on the market. You could try those out. And if you have one that you really like and it's your go-to spice blend, share it with others below, and it may help some other people out who are trying to cut down on their salt intake. I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.